Your system is critically damaged by 4 viruses. We detect that your Apple iPhone is 28.1% damaged due to 4 harmful viruses from recent adult sites. Soon it will damage your device's SIM card and will corrupt your contacts, photos, data, applications, etc. If you do not activate VPN to remove the virus now, it will cause severe damage to your device. Here's what you must do to secure your device. Step 1. Click below to install the Premium VPN for free from the Apple Store, then open the app. Step 2. You must answer the questions in the app to activate the VPN at no cost. The VPN will permanently secure your iPhone once activated. Warning: this Apple iPhone is infected with viruses and your browser is seriously damaged. You need to install the VPN to remove viruses and secure your device. It is necessary to remove and fix now. Do not close this window. If you leave, you will be at risk.